Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the February BoxyCharm. So I've already unboxed my Boxy Premium. I've already got it up on my channel, so if you'd like to see that, just go ahead and check that out. And a little bit about BoxyCharm. It is a monthly subscription. It costs us $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And that's like $5 a product, and they are like higher-end luxury products. So, you know, $5 a product really is not bad. And it is my favorite subscription. Let me get it up. Now, I know that I did pick, this is the only thing I picked for, was I did pick the Becca Cosmetics Foundation. So, I'm hoping that I got it. I really don't know what else is in the box. I ain't really like watching any unboxing videos, or I try to stay off their Instagram so that I'm not seeing like spoilers and stuff like that. I like to be surprised when I get my box. So here is the inside of the box. It's a little different. I know the Boxy Premium was blue, and this one is like a pinkish red tone. So I like that. And look at the bubble wrap. I really like that. All my boxes this month, even this one, came crushed. Now with this box, I got it this morning. I knew it was at the post office yesterday. So this morning I checked and it said it went out like 7:10. So I was like, yes. So I figured 9:30 I was going to get it. Well, my husband goes to the mail. He comes back with a couple of letters. And I was like, where's my box? He's like, this is it. There's nothing else. I freaked out. I was like, someone stole my BoxyCharm. I was like, getting ready to cry or get mad or do something. So I called the post office, and they said they'd call the mailman and figure out the issue. So, which he didn't go to the mailbox. It was closer to 10:30 before he went. I was thinking it was going to be here at 9:30, but he went at around 10:30. But about 11 o'clock, I had my BoxyCharm. So, thank God. So, we're just going to start with the first thing. I don't even see the little card. But this one was like crushed on the top. Every box I've got this month is being damaged. Okay, so we got a Saute London Everyday Vacate. This is a setting powder. And they are vegan for... If I look at... Got new lightings up. So it's brighter. Trying to get the lighting fixed. I was hoping my new microphone would be here, but it's not, so maybe tomorrow. So, it favors my other one, but I think this one is different than the other one I got. The other one's got like stars on top. This one's got coconut in it, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, coconut setting powder. Now, I have really good luck with this powder. It sets my face, keeps me from creasing. Well, I don't use it a lot, which I ain't got much left in my other one. But I've been having like really good luck with a one from the drugstore lately, the Believe Beauty one. I've been like loving that one. It's got a little tint to it, but it doesn't really like add color, but it really like sets good. Okay. Ooh. So it's just regular powder. So it ain't gonna show up white, it's just translucent. So I know I'm gonna like that because I do like my other one. Okay. We got the Laura Geller, New York, Baked Jello, Gillette Swirl, Illuminator Glided Honey. Now, I think I've got this one. I'm not really sure. It is a beautiful color. So just show you what it looks like in the pan. That is beautiful. But I'm thinking, I don't know, I've got a a palette that I thought this one was in. It might not be. Seems like my one that had the brown tint to it was a little darker. Okay, so we got some makeup wipes and Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleaning Hemp Wipes. I just wonder about the quality. I'm very funny about stuff. So is it like thick? That's what I worry about, is if they're going to be thick or not. Some of them's like really thin. But here lately, I don't know what it is. Even like I use Glam Glow forever. And I've never had problem with any of their products. And then I have the toner. It's the black one. It's got like a menthol thing to it, but I forget the name of it. But I have the toner. I got the mask, and it burnt my face up. So I know I'm going to use these a lot, but I'm very careful about wipes. Like when I'm doing my eyes, a lot of things really burn my eyes out, and I'll just normally use some kind of something else for my eyes. But I'll take a makeup wipe and wipe my face, or like for swatches and stuff like that. Okay, I was hoping to get these. I did like the brushes, but I'm like, I really don't need no brushes, but I like getting new brushes anyway. But I was really hoping to get these. These are the complete sponge set by Luxie brushes. You've got a detail blender, a precision blender, and a powder blender. I need a new beauty blender, and I was thinking about buying one, and I was like, I'm going to wait and see what I get. But the brushes look really nice too, but I have like a lot of brushes. And I got maybe like 8 sponges, but it was time to get a new one. So here they are in this little box. Very cute. Here's the small one. And the last one. They feel really good. They're a little hard, but I think once you wet them, they'll be alright. Okay, so really happy with these, because this is what I really wanted. Okay. Then, we got the iconic London palette, Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Warning: if this product gets into your eyes, rinse well with water immediately. Keep out of reach of children. It is pretty packaging, all gold. Even the letters are just raised. I don't know about that light now. I think I'll change that. So we got a big mirror. And me. Just turn that light off, because it's like reflecting off everything. Okay, so we got about 20 colors in here. These are beautiful. Now, I like Iconic London. I think they make some really good stuff. Let's just swatch a few of them. Now, see, I was hoping to get this because, like, I didn't get much makeup in my subscriptions this month. It's all been, like, skincare. My Boxy Premium, I did get the straightener, which I really didn't need, since I did get one here a while back in my Luxe. They do have names. In the Nude is the first one. Then the next one is Champagne Chick. Next one's 24 Karat Gold. Deep Soul. VIP Vibes. Copper Meat Fancy. Ultimate Tan. And Closing Party. Then we got Bronze Babe. Taupe to Taupe, Merlet Mondays, Velvet Crush. Okay, Peaches and Dreams is right here. I mean, it's like a skin color. Then we have Peach Fizz. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Elena, I don't know. It's really like almost a skin tone too. Then Rags to Riches. One more row. Ooh, this is going to be so pretty. So we got Iconic. I like that. That would be such a good highlighter. Marshmallow. Wonderland. And Girl Boss. Now, I like all that. I cannot wait to play with this palette. These are beautiful colors, and there's a lot in there to play with. So, I will probably do a look on this coming week. So, look for that, because that is going to be so fun to play with. Okay, for some reason, I don't know why, but I did not get the little paper card that comes with, you know, what is the theme this month, what your stuff is retailed for. My box was crushed together, but it didn't look like it had been open. I had to cut it. It was just like bent really far down when I got it, so I don't think it was opened. I think it was just, and my cat's probably done this. When he sees one of these boxes, he's like, yes, I get a new home or new bed or something. He loves boxes. And he likes to lay in. He's got my Boxy Premium right now. With my little Ipsy Plus box, he like collapsed it soon he got into it because he's a Maine Coon, and Maine Coons are on the larger side, which he's not as big as a regular Maine Coon since he's got Siamese in him. So, I mean, he's pretty tall, but he really just don't gain no weight. I've been trying to figure out, and he's just so particular, but he's so funny because if you like piss him off, he's like thinking, I'm going to get you back. And he does. But I wish I did get my card to tell you guys like what this box was retailed for. I will look it up and put it in the details below. But I'm really happy with this month's box. I mean, this is my favorite thing in the box, I think. Because I am really loving this palette. And, I mean, I needed new setting powders, and I needed new blenders. I mean, so this is, like, a big plus for me. And I'm going to check to see if I got this or not. If I do, I'm just going to gift it to somebody, since the only thing I done was swatch it, and my hand. Okay, so I'm really happy with the box I got, but the problem is I did choose the Becca Cosmetics, and they confirmed it and everything like that. So I am a little mad about that and disappointed because I really thought I was going to get the Becca Cosmetics, and if you're choosing, you should get what you picked. I did get the wipes, and they're, you know, okay. I got plenty. I mean, I'm really, really happy with the box I got. I just wish that I really had got the Becca Cosmetics foundation, since I did pick it and they confirmed it. But I'm really happy to get the blenders and the palette, even the setting powder. So, I mean, I'm going to give this box like a 4 out of 5. And I'm only going to do that because they did not send the product that I chose. Which is their fault, not mine. They did confirm it. I am going to let them know because, you know, if you're choosing products, that is what you should get. Don't confirm something if you're not going to do it. So, I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Sometimes I do bonus videos, like when my subscription boxes are coming in. And so you might get like 4 videos. You might even get 6 videos, or even 7 sometimes. So, I guess that's it for now. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.